Yo, what's up my people, ladies and gentlemen? I'm your host Raphael Godfrey Kinanga. Go by the name. Bwana, mzungu mwingi ndugu yangu. Nipo katika chuo kikuu cha Mtakatifu Augustine kwa watu wasomi. Si ndio Ukiambiwa kwamba mtu yupo chuo kikuu jua anasoma na Kiingereza kimelala. Sasa hapa tunakwenda kufanya challenge ya Kiingereza kidogo. Ya watujuze kuhusiana na kile ambacho wanakifahamu. Si ndivyo Ladies and gentlemen, let's join together. Bwana, kupo na mjuba hapa. How are you, man?
I'm good.
Are you good?
I'm good.
All right. What's your name?
My name is Paul Musa.
Paul Musa?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. I'm so glad to hear your name. My name is Raphael Godfrey Kinanga.
Nice to know
I'm
you.
from Kinanga TV.
You're welcome at South.
All right, mister. I gotta have a challenge that we need to share. Are you ready?
Which type of challenge, my brother?
Just a simple challenge.
What does it concern?
Which language that you use to talk apart from English?
Kiswahili language.
Oh, Kiswahili language.
Yeah.
Our national language.
Yeah.
Okay, that is good. Okay, how can we say mtoto kautaka in English?
Umepigwa kimbola.
Mtoto kautaka?
Yeah.
The brother is before.
The child want it.
Yeah?
The child want it.
Wewe nani unaheshima bwana?
The child want it. The child want it.
The charity want it. Okay, can you just give a shout out to your friends? At least three friends.
The shout out to my first friend, I'm giving it to Ernest.
Yeah.
Yes, the second one to Patrick.
Yeah.
The third one, I'm giving it to Michael.